Welcome back to another episode of Fast Lane Pros, guys. I hope everyone has had a happy and safe 4th of July. I know that we have, besides the fact that I got a speeding ticket in the Titan. Doing 80 and a 60, but you do the crime, you do the time, right? But anyway, we're going to take a little trip. We're going to cruise to Dallas. We've got something that we're going to pick up that we're bringing to the channel to make things a little better. But for all you guys that are just tuning in to the channel, I'm Michael. I run this channel with my son Jonathan, and this is our Pontiac G8 and Camaro 94 model, and of course the old trusty Titan. But stay tuned, guys, and let's take this ride. What's up, everyone? I'm Michael. This is Jonathan.
What's up, guys?
For all you new subscribers, and if you're just tuning in to our channel, watching our videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and while you're at it, turn on the notifications by tapping the bell. Just give it a little tappy tap. And today we are going to take you guys along with us to Dallas. We live in Houston, and we're kind of addicted to Facebook Marketplace. So while browsing, we came across a motor, another LT1, but it has low miles on it. It's going to be a motor that we can build on the engine stand, while the motor that's in the car now, we're currently putting some upgrades on. Nothing major, but it's just gonna be a driver for now. So we're gonna build this motor, go to Dallas, pick this motor up, and bring it home. So stay tuned and enjoy the ride. For 2.5 hours. We still got an hour and a half to go. The Titan's doing great. It's starting to get dark, the sun's going down, but she is doing excellent on gas.
We filled her up about 2.5 hours.
I didn't even put it on a full tank. It was just over 3/4, so it's maybe drink a little more than 1/4 of a tank. And 231,000 miles. She's chugging along.
There's a map, guys, if you want to look at it. Right there, we gotta go way up there where Dallas is. So, still got a little bit to chug, but the Titan's doing very well. And yeah, thought we'd give you guys an update. So, okay, so we are about 30 minutes away from Dallas. We're gonna stop and we ate McDonald's, so we still have about 30 minutes from Dallas. So let's get back in here. Let's get headed. Texas. Okay guys, sorry if there's a lot of wind noise. I'm gonna try to cup this thing so you don't get a lot of wind noise, but we came to Dallas, we picked up the LT1
This one come out of a 96 Impala SS, and the reason they pulled it is because the Opti Spark was messing up. So this motor had 96,000 miles on it, and the motor they swapped into the Impala had 200 and something thousand miles on it. Well, they pulled the Opti Spark off of this motor and put it on the one they stuck in. They put a new Opti Spark on that other motor and it ran fine. So all along it was the Opti Spark. We picked this motor up for $350, 96,000 miles on it. Well, we're gonna go ahead and build this thing from the floorboard up.
It might not even need a rebuild.
I mean, it may not even need a rebuild. We're gonna pull the valve covers off of it, look at it, and we may just end up swapping it and slapping a turbo on it. So yeah, but I mean, it's a clean motor.
They put a seatbelt on.
They used the seat belt. We were in so big of a hurry to get out of there from the house. We knew we had a 4-hour drive. We just shagged ass and forgot the straps. And I was like, are you kidding me? We got halfway up here. So they hooked us up with a seat belt. But it's sitting there pretty good. I don't think it's going to go anywhere. It's pretty solid.
3 people, there's some pushing.
But yeah, so the Camaro is fixing to be well on its way, and it's like midnight, so we're not going to get home till 4 or 5 in the morning. But yeah, so
Still gonna keep you updated.
yeah, we'll keep you updated when we make it to the house. And in the morning, we're going to go ahead and get a cherry picker, pull this thing out of here, and get it on an engine stand and see what we got going with this motor. So stay tuned, guys. We'll see you in the morning. So next day, guys, we made it home. Safe trip from Dallas. Everything went great. We got the LT1, and now we're going to pick up a cherry picker to get this thing out of the back of the truck and get it onto an engine stand, and let's go.
Well, guys, we got it, the engine hoist down to the ground, and well, it's raining, and we got a motor in the back of the truck, so that's as well gotta come out. But move the camera, guys.
Stole some tires.
Ooh, listen to that. Now all these wires we just... Well, now it's time to undo the old handy dandy seatbelt. Doesn't this work? We could just cut it. Hold on. 1 inch. Seatbelts work great, guys. It doesn't matter because I washed them.
All right, now pull the motor forward.
Let's see if Jonathan can do this.
You got it.
Man up!
Yeah, right.
Man up!
It took 4 of us last night. Hold on, I got a better idea. Work harder, not smarter, boys.
Work smarter, not harder.
See that?
Work harder, not smarter.
What?
Do it. All you do is jump down.
Tug of war.
Yeah, it's just stretching. They didn't do it.
What?
It's not your pull, it's just stretching the rope.
It'll stretch till it maxes out. Come on.
There's nothing. Where's the chain at?
Yeah, but it should finally max out. Jack that motherfucker up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, how what you got?
Move the truck.
Slow. Hold up. Go slow. Oh, whoa.
No.
That didn't work. The motor is out of the truck.
So we successfully unloaded the motor out of the back of the truck, and we have it here waiting to go on the jack stand. I don't know if we're going to put it on the jack stand. I think we're just going to pull the motor out of the Camaro and go ahead and do a swap. This thing only has 96,000 miles on it. We'll probably cam it. Definitely do a compression test first and make sure it's good to go, and then just swap it out, swap all of our parts on it. We got a couple of more parts to order. We've got a few parts coming in, but pretty soon she's going to be up and running.
So some of the things, like he said, he named a few, but we also have to get headers for this thing, and we got to put the OptiSpark, water pump, ICM, all the hoses, and then we gotta mount the transmission, but that'll be while it's in the car or whatever. But other than that, guys, I picked up this motor. I'm gonna go ahead and tell him I picked this motor up for $350. It has 98,000 miles.
96.
Or 96,000 miles, my bad. And at first I thought it was 137, but the dude said no, it's 96,000 miles. Which I couldn't pass that dude up. To me, that's a really good deal. And the reason why he said they pulled it out was because the OptiSpark, they couldn't figure out what's wrong. So it came out of Impala 96.
Yep.
Yeah, 96, and they brought it here. And then they were like, do a swap, and they swapped it with a 200,000 mile motor. So they put the 200,000 mile motor in the car, and they took this one out, and then
They used the OptiSpark off of this motor, put it on the other motor, and they still had the same problem. So they replaced the OptiSpark on it, got the 200,000 mile motor running great, and they were stuck with this one. They didn't want to swap it back, which I think would have been the smart thing to do. But hey,
that's a whole nother,
you know, that was a win for us. So we found it on Facebook Marketplace, shot to Dallas as you've seen in the video, and scooped it up. And I believe we're gonna wrap this video up here, guys. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, turn on the notification bell, and
catch you guys next time. Peace. We put the yee-haw back in your motor and transmission.